Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully this is the last video on our black street glide. We rebuilt the whole thing cosmetically. We pulled the engine out, rebuilt it mechanically. Also pulled the transmission apart too and cleaned out the pan. Sorry about the noise. Also our front wheel bearings were bad in our original street glide wheel, so I put an enforcer wheel on it with new Brembo calipers. And but we haven't rode it yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the front end back on, the front fairing on right now, put it together, and then we'll go ahead and show you our next build. Bags on it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you why it wasn't running before. The fuel pressure regulator I ordered was for the wrong year, so it was just dumping it right out the vent, so it couldn't build any pressure. I put the old one back in it, even though it had a dent in it, it still worked fine. But other than that, it runs and drives great. So all the haters that said the motor wasn't going to go back together, that I had too much run out and all that, you're wrong. But yeah, it runs and drives great, great oil pressure. It's good to go.
All right, now that this is wrapped up, what do you think? Should we show them the next project?
Yeah, this one's going to be this is a big one. Yeah, for sure.
It's a big one, but it's good. All right, ta-da! Here it is in all its glory. You want to tell them about it?
Yeah, so it's a 96 Softail not a Heritage Softail or anything like that. And it got a little hot. It overheated one day. But the main reason I bought it was because I saw it had S&S castings on the heads, and I could kind of tell that it was diamond cut. So once it got here, I ran the numbers. It's got a 124-inch diamond cut S&S motor in it. And I'm assuming it's a 6-speed, but it says, and I didn't want to pull all the stuff off before we did a video on it, but underneath here it says Baker and Big Dog Motorcycle, so I'm assuming that transmission was out of or for a Big Dog. And it's also got a Scorpion clutch on it. Granted, a lot of stuff on it's bad. The carburetor is melted, the harness is gone, everything else, but the frame's still good. I think what I want to do with it, well, first and foremost, get it all apart and see how bad everything is. But get it all apart, get it down to a bare frame, have it sandblasted and powder coated. And I think I'm going to build a Heritage Softail because I've been wanting an Evo Softail for a while. So that's the plan. I think we can save the motor. The only like expensive damage that I can see is the fins on the front head right here. And it doesn't look like it was from heat. It looks like something hit it. So, and I don't know if this bike was wrecked and then caught on fire, if it was in a garage fire or what the heck happened. But obviously all my chrome covers, push rod tubes, rocker covers and everything's all bad too. But the heart of it, the bones of it, I think are still good. So we'll go ahead and get it on the lift and start tearing it apart and see what we're working with.